What's up guys, the PNW Hobbies here. Today there's no fishing, we're just doing an unboxing video. So I just got Best Buy and that's GoPro 7. I pre-ordered a week ago. Today was the day for pick it up. So it's gonna be a literally unboxing video because it's still pick up order sticker on here and there's nothing. So let's open this baby. That's the classic GoPro box, which I have another one here. The same box. So here it shows 12 megapixel, 4K 60, 33 feet, 10 meters in the water, and this is the voice recognition. Touchscreen, 8x slow motion GPS, HDR, hyper smooth technology. It comes with the GoPro 7 and you can do a live streaming finally. It's a classic GoPro, same housing, just like the 7's different. So the first of all, let's check what's inside the box. So the GoPro thing shows an instruction how to put the battery in it. Two beautiful GoPro stickers. It's like a huge book. GoPro safety instructions. Like always, the 3M stickers. This flat. And that's the curve one. The cable for charging. And the GoPro battery. Pause this and take this baby out. There's a remote thing. Just break it down. Open the safety plastic. That's it. Open the housing. And then the run. That's the beautiful GoPro 7 Black. Take the seat out. Just opening the bag for the battery. And turning it on. English. Agree. GPS on. Says GoPro app. Let's skip the setup for now. And today is the 30th September. And the time is currently 7:20 p.m. That's it. It looks better than the GoPro 6. Shows currently like no SD card in it, and 16% battery comes with it. There's the capture settings. So you can go like 4K. 4K 30 video settings. So it looks the same, but I think the quality is better. It's like darker. Photo mode, video, photo. So you can turn the super photo on. Linear or wide. On the side is still the charger and the HDMI entrance inputs. Yeah, it looks darker, looks softer. So this is a new GoPro thing. When you turn the vertical, the GoPro turns vertical too. So you can take a portrait pictures. And there's also like time lapse. So let's try this. I just got the 128 Evo. This one, let me show you this. Before open. So I got it from Best Buy. It's $38, but I price matched with Amazon one, so I bought it like $29.99. So it's 128 and it comes with the housing. That's the part. So the extra one, I want to show you guys some features. So as you can see, with 1440 60 wide, you can record like 4 hours and 2 minutes. Let's change it to 4K and in 30, but say stabilization not supported. And still like 4 hours and 2 minutes. Let's do 2.7 with 60K with hyper smooth. 4 hours and 12 minutes with 128 micro SD card. If you go 1440 with 60, 4 hours and 2 minutes. If you go 1440 with 120, still 4 hours and 12 minutes. If you go 1440 with 24 wide, it's 7 hours and 42 minutes. If you go 960 with 240, but stabilization not supported, 5 hours and 8 minutes. So my setup is 1440 to 60. So hyper smooth stabilization, wide, low light on, stabilization, then Pro Tune off. So 4 hours and 2 minutes. That's my YouTube channel settings. If you go photo, this is 128 micro SD cards, totally empty now. $999 plus photos. You can change white to linear to super photo auto. I like the white one. It shows literally like 17K photos, I think. I'm not sure. Let's change it to video. Four hours and 2 minutes. 1440 60 wide. I'll show you the side again. And that's it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will add another video for review in a couple days. And if the weather will be okay, I'll go fishing. Otherwise, I'll do something else. See you guys later. Take care.